Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Neo, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. Alright, so I assume that this tutorial will be useful if for some reason you've got a completely different language on your phone right now and you're trying to change it. So I'll try to be as descriptive as possible. So the first thing you need to do is to open the settings. So localize this gear icon and tap on it. So if you are on any other options inside the settings, you need to simply go back to the general list of the settings. And this is the general list of the settings with all of those icons here on the left. So if you are on this general list, all you need to do is to scroll all the way down, just like that. You can do it, kind of harshly. Just scroll all the way down and localize system. So find this eye icon here. So it should be the second option from the bottom. Tap on it. Now we need to open the languages which are on the top. So just tap on the first option, and here again tap on the first option to open system languages. So here we've got the list of all languages, let's say added. So now we've got only English, in my case of course. Let's tap on this plus icon here and localize the language that you'd like to apply. If you've got the language on this previous list, in a second I'll show you how to reorder them. Alright, so let me choose French. So just tap on your language, choose the region, just by tapping on it. And as you can see, the language has been immediately applied to the list, but the previous language, so in my case English, is still a main one. So all we need to do here is to reorder the languages. So tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Now release the finger, and now your device will ask you if you really want to change the system language. So all you need to do is to tap on this option on the right, so just tap on change, and as you can see, right now we've got the French language in my case set as a default one. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it. And obviously this is the situation when you've got a different language added and under it you've got the language that you want to set. Tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. Release and tap on this option on the right. And as you can see, we've got English applied. If you wish to remove the languages from this list, just tap on this three dots icon here and tap on remove. Now just mark the language that you want to delete and tap on the trash bin icon here. Tap on remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.